Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. During previous videos, we looked at some elements of the charts and how they function with the features of cTrader, and in this video we will look specifically at charting. Starting with the Instruments toolbar on cTrader desktop, you have the Add New Chart icon, which does just that, and you may select the symbol as required. On both cTrader desktop and cTrader web, you have single chart mode, and all of your open charts are accessible in tabs. In multi-chart mode, all charts are spaced equally on the platform, but you can reorder easily. In free chart mode, a variety of configurations can be achieved, including manually sizing vertically and horizontally. You may scroll back in time using your mouse wheel, or by click and drag in cursor mode, or by using the cursor keys on your keyboard. Your cursor may also be used to change the height of the chart by dragging on the price axis. The crosshairs can be accessed either here or by depressing your mouse wheel. Clicking and dragging the crosshairs gives you a very useful measuring tool displaying time, pips, periods, and price. The Market Snapshot gives you a candle-by-candle look at price action and volume. Speaking of snapshots, the Chart Shot creates a full-color image of your chart, not only saved on your PC, but also on our server, where you may instantly share it on social media, send an email, and/or copy any link you need. Price alerts may be set quite easily by clicking here, dragging the line to the desired level, and changing the parameters if required. These can be adjusted on the chart as well. When that level is reached, you will be alerted on all platforms, desktop, web, and mobile, on this account. Each chart has a favorites panel, which allows you to zoom in and out, either by clicking here, by using the plus or minus keys, or by using the slider. Chart price action may be displayed in bars, candlesticks, lines, or dots. On cTrader web, this icon also allows you to display price action with Heikin-Ashi bars, which some traders feel are better for identifying trends. Changing chart timeframes is easy with a click of a button, and moving from one time frame to another, from 1 minute to 1 month, can be done with your cursor up and cursor down keys. By right-clicking on a chart and selecting periods, a wider variety of timeframes can be applied to your chart or added to the favorites panel. As well, tick charts may be created. You may use Renko bars, and you may display price action candles based on a range in pips. As well, by right-clicking, you will note that other options from the favorites panel are available, such as chart type and zoom. Color options may also be set for all these elements on your chart, and you may save these in your template, as we saw in our last video. As we have shown, charts may be detached and moved to another monitor. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.